La 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 la. Daily maths dose. So you're actually going to run from this topic. I mean, well, after watching this video by Daily Maths Dose, you are going to be confident in solving any question about set in any examination. Trust me, I still remain your favorite tutor, Sabot, and you're welcome to Daily Maths Dose, where geniuses are made daily. Do well to hit a subscription bell below so that you don't miss out. I know you're going to enjoy it. So we are going to solve this question. So this is just a regular scenario that happens in everyday life. So we are going to solve it mathematically. So I want you to start seeing mathematics as something that can be applied in real life, not just abstract things. You're looking for x and y. Bro, who is x? Okay, so this is something that we see in everyday life. So there are 30 students in a class. 15 study woodwork and 13 study metal work. 6 study either of the two subjects. How many students study woodwork but not metal work? All right, so we are going to solve. So we have two sets of subjects. We have woodwork and we have metal work. So we are going to have two circles. All right, so as usual, we are going to draw our box. It is going to contain the circles. So we're going to have two circles. So we are going to select M be metalwork, and let W be woodwork. All right. So this is M, metalwork. So the next circle is going to be for woodwork. All right. So I'm going to draw it with a red pen. For clarity. All right. So the universal set is 30 students. 30 students. So U or E, that's the mother set, is what? 30 students. All right. So remember, 15 study woodwork and 13 study metal work. So 6 study neither. So we are going to have 6 students outside the circles. They study neither of the two subjects. All right. So we can take the number of students that study both metalwork and woodwork to be X. All right. The number of students that study both metalwork and woodwork to be X. So we call this W. That's for woodwork. So if we have 15 some students who study woodwork, so it's going to be this circle, that is woodwork only, is going to be 15 minus X. Are we together? Okay, so we have 15 minus X, because this whole circle is 15. Now we want to find the number of students who study woodwork only, and that is 15 minus X. The same way that is students study metalwork. So the number of students that study metalwork only is not going to be just maybe we write 13 here. No, we are going to be wrong. 13 is for here and here. All right, but we are looking for metalwork only, so it's going to be 13 minus X. 13 minus X. For great definition, we're going to use the black biro. 13 minus X. All right. So, and the total number of students is 30. So we are asked to find how many students that study woodwork but not metal work. Woodwork but not metal work. So in other words, just woodwork only, woodwork but not metal work. So we are looking for 15 minus X. So we can add things up to get 30. In essence, we have that 30, the universal set, is equal to 6 plus X, the X in the middle, plus 13 minus X plus 15 minus X. All right. So since we have X plus X minus S, this we cancel this. All right. So we have 30 is equal to 6 plus 13 is 19. All right. So 19 plus 15 minus x. All right. So 19 plus 15 is what? 19 plus 15 is 34. So we have 30 equal to 34 minus x. So if you move minus x this side, it becomes x is equal to 34 minus 30. Therefore, x is equal to what? 4. All right. So since x is equal to 4, the number of students that study woodwork only, or woodwork but not other work, is 15 minus x. Therefore, woodwork only is equal to 15 minus x. 15 minus x is 15 minus 4, which is what? 9 students. 9 students. So we have 9 students that study just woodwork but not metal work. So the answer obviously is option D. So if actually this question should be repeated, this is 2023 question number 2, and I guess this was when I wrote my WAEC, and of course I wrote this particular question. So if it occurs again in your OE paper, you know the exact thing to do. All right. So if this class was helpful, what stops you from beating a situation in? So you've seen that set is actually easy, so don't run away from it. Anticipate other questions. Bye.